Indonesia selalu punya cara untuk memikat hati para wisatawan. Bagi kita, ini adalah rumah. Tapi bagi mereka yang datang dari jauh, ini adalah sebuah keajaiban. Lewat mata seorang traveler, kita melihat bagaimana indahnya negeri ini. Tak hanya pada alamnya, tapi juga pada jiwa yang ada di dalamnya. Inilah Indonesia.
Halo.
สวัสดีครับ
Sawadika, we are back. Now we are back in Jakarta.
Yeah, guys, finally.
Back in Jakarta right now.
So where are we right now?
So we are in Ben Hill, Jakarta, and we are looking for food for the beef festing and one takjil.
So it's famous for it.
Yeah, you know,
It's very famous. It's very famous.
It's the first day. It's the first day in
Yeah.
Indonesia. That Italian guy,
Thailand guy,
and
Indonesian guy.
are together and fighting together again in Indonesia.
I wanna eat so many things as much as possible.
Let's go. Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Bro, as fuck, bro.
I'm hungry.
We cannot say bad word, right?
หิวมาก I'm so hungry.
Asta.
Yeah, I want to find a food stall because it says on 6 p.m. we
6
can eat,
Yeah.
right?
Are you fasting today? No.
Me?
Yeah.
No, today no.
You?
No, of course. But I'm trying. Maybe I can try on my first.
Real. Inshallah. Inshallah.
You're fasting, right?
I'm fasting. This is your first time to Banho.
But I'm more Indonesian than Kiel, bro.
Yeah, it's my first time too.
Really?
Been living in Indonesia for 17 years, but it's my
17 years, but you never
first
come
time
to
in
this place?
War Takjil, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So you come here with me.
The reason why we're coming here to have this kind of
Yeah.
experience because we love food, right?
Yeah, and
Yeah.
really love.
And we greet with the food.
Yeah, we were
greet.
bored.
We want more food.
But if we just come late,
Yeah.
maybe it will nothing.
Nothing.
Hello,
Hello.
เอามาแล้วครับผม
Okay. Bro, let's see. Let's go. You first.
Go. Lady first.
Pertama kali apa udah sering?
Sering apa?
Kesini.
Baru pertama aku.
And this is the best place for looking at takjil award. Berapa? 10.003. It's 10,003. You get 3 pieces. This one. You can pick up. Hey! Yeah, so this is my plastic, my bag.
We are
From
back.
Cat.
Your bag. Everyone has his bag. Let's go.
For our thing that we can have. For you. You can pick anything that you want. You can, okay? So it's free. It's not free. Not free. Okay.
Yeah, one. It's my first time. Okay. Wait, can we pick anything you want?
Yeah, you can pick. So come here.
Oh, do you want to see? Let's see.
Okay, let's go. Maybe we can explore a little bit.
So I have a question. What is that rainbow thing?
Jelly.
Jelly?
There's a jelly. Just here. Want to try?
Yeah. 3 for 10,000, right? Okay.
3 for 10,000. A jelly or kue lapis.
Jelly.
Jelly or kue lapis.
Okay, Chan.
So this is Paribuk 30, guys. Everyone is taking word to. This is Paribuk 30.
What else do you want?
Just two. For now, just two.
10,003.
10,003. Another one. Sweet. Halo guys. Halo. Aku Erik, aku di Indonesia. Aku boleh gila. And then when we pay,
Let's go.
big money, guys.
Let's go. To drink.
I don't know, man. I will go with, I don't know. Let's see.
Do you want to try
Avocado juice. Juice
avocado? Just avocado. Let's see.
Oh, juice alpukat. Juice alpukat.
What else do you want?
I want this.
Firsak.
Yeah.
This is one of your favorite food.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, we don't have soursop in Thailand.
Oh my god.
Like we live in Southeast Asia, but we don't have soursop. It's a culture shock.
Okay, what did you get? What did you get? What did you get? Show me, show me. Show me.
Let's go, man.
Show me, show me, show me
So
what
guys,
did you
I
get.
just got the juice advocate. I don't know what kind of takjil.
Takjil.
And she got one.
Only one.
Only one. Day. It's a third day.
Fast.
Cheers. Cheers, man. Okay. How is it?
It's good.
It's good. How is it, the avocado juice? Nah,
It's good, bro.
it's good.
It's really good.
It's good. As a European guy, how do you think that people who made avocado as a juice?
So, as an Italian, right?
Yeah,
We don't usually drink avocado.
yeah.
We used to eat it.
Okay. Now I want to try this first one is this is Bolan.
I just want you guys to try this. If you guys come
need
to
it.
Indonesia,
This morning I was
to have soursop juice
running.
because it's so unique.
Yeah.
It looks like durian, but it's not. It's like the sour version of durian. So,
Juicy, so and fresh.
so any Thailand people coming to Indonesia, please try this.
Not actually just sweet.
ไม่ลองเสียดายแน่ๆ If you don't try, you'll regret it. More in the middle of
By the way, the taste about this takjil is just sugar.
Yeah, it's Buelapis.
Yeah, so this is coconut. What is that?
Coconut jelly.
Coconut jelly and sugar. But yeah, I can maybe because I got cold, so I cannot smell. I cannot taste. This is why I said there's no taste. Yeah, because I got cold. It's good, guy. By the way.